What if I told you there's a tool that replaces your email platform, your funnel builder, your course hosting, your affiliate market program, your booking calendar, and everything is under a free plan that never expires? This is definitely not a pitch, and this is what systeme.io actually does. Let me show you. Now, systeme.io is an all-in-one online business platform built by a French entrepreneur called Arion Amaka, who launched it back in 2018. The whole idea behind it is very simple. Stop paying for 6 different tools when one does everything. So under one dashboard, you get a sales funnel builder, email marketing, a website builder, a blog, online course hosting, a community builder, affiliate marketing manager, marketing automation, a booking calendar, e-commerce for physical products, CRM pipeline, evergreen webinar hosting. So all of these are the features you get on the free plan. Now we're going to break down exactly what the free plan gives you and what the paid tier looks like. And I'll be honest about the platform's pros and cons, because no tool is perfect. Starting with the free plan, systeme.io separates itself from every competitor in this category. On a completely free plan, you get 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails to send to all of them, 3 sales funnels, 1 online course with up to 500 students, 1 blog with unlimited posts, 1 community, 1 custom domain, a built-in affiliate program, Stripe and PayPal integration, and 0 transaction on every sale. Getting 0 transaction on every sale is really wild, because most platforms at this price point, which is $0, cap you at 500 contacts and take a percentage of every sale you make. Systeme.io gives you 4 times the contacts, unlimited emails, and keeps their hand out of your revenue. For solopreneurs, coach, freelancers, or someone testing a small business idea before spending money, this is genuinely usable. You can launch a lead generation funnel, build an email list, sell digital product, and run affiliate programs without spending a cent. The main limits to be aware on the free plan are you get only 1 automation rule and 1 workflow. And once you want to run multiple sequences, like separating buyers from non-buyers, triggering different parts based on behavior, you then hit that ceiling. So this is when the startup plan at $17 a month becomes the next step. Now let me show you why the all-in-one part actually matters here. Because it is not just a marketing phrase that they just use. Because you build a landing page in SEO where your customers visit using the drag and drop funnel builder. Then they opt in with their email, and that email is automatically added to your contact list. A tag gets applied and the automation fires, sending a welcome email and then a nurture sequence over the next few days. At the end of the sequence, they get a sale email pointing to the checkout page. Payment goes straight to Stripe or PayPal. No extra transaction fee from systeme.io's side. And then, like that, you've set up a one-click upsell and an order bump right on your checkout page. After the purchase, they automatically get access to your online course hosted on systeme.io. Then they join your community, and then you drip releasing content over the next 6 weeks. Meanwhile, your affiliate program is running, affiliates are driving traffic, earning commissions, getting tracked and paid out, all on the same platform. You can check your CRM pipeline, you can publish a blog post for SEO, and your evergreen webinar is also running on autopilot. The entire workflow is on one platform and one dashboard. No Zapier connection breaking at the middle of the night because one tool decided not to talk to the other. So next, let's break down the pricing. So systeme.io has 4 plans. We've talked about the free plan. Now let's talk about the startup. You pay $17 a month, which gives you 5,000 contacts, 10 sales funnels, 5 courses, 10 automation rules, and 3 custom domain. Worth noting, this plan dropped from $27 a month to $17 in May 2025. While other SaaS companies are raising prices, that tells you something about how this company operates. Then in the webinar plan, you pay $47 a month and get 10,000 contacts, 50 funnels, 20 courses, 100 automation rules, and access to evergreen webinar hosting. And then in their final plan, the unlimited, you pay $97 a month. Everything is unlimited, contact funnels, courses, automation rules, custom domain, and you get unlimited sub accounts. Each sub account gets a full feature set at your main account at no extra cost. If you manage multiple brands and client projects, that will be very meaningful to you. All the plans, including the free accounts, includes unlimited email sends, 0 transaction fee, unlimited file storage, unlimited students for your courses, and an affiliate program. Now let's put numbers in context. ClickFunnels is one of the most well-known funnel builder. It starts at $81 a month, and that is for only funnels alone, no email, courses, affiliates, because all of them are separate. Then we have Kajabi, which starts at $61 a month. Kartra starts at $59 a month, while systeme.io starts at $0. And even its top tier unlimited plan at $97 is cheaper than the entry plan of most of the competitors, while including more features. Now, I want to be clear about something. Each of those dedicated tools does its specific job more deeply than systeme.io's version. ClickFunnels has more refined funnel editor. ActiveCampaign has more sophisticated email automation. Kajabi has more polished course experience. What you're trading in depth for consolidation, seamless data flow, and real saving. For the majority of solopreneurs and small business owners, the trade is worth making. So here's the bottom line. Systeme.io is not the deepest tool in any single category. There are better funnel editors, better automation platforms, better course builders, but no other platform bundles all of those capabilities under one roof, starting from absolute zero with zero transaction fee, unlimited email send, and no credit card required to start. For solopreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses who are tired of managing 5 different subscriptions before making a single dollar, this is the most cost-efficient all-in-one platform available in 2026. The free plan is real, the limits are clearly defined, and the moment you outgrow it, the startup plan at $17 a month is one of the best value paid tier in the entire marketing software space. If you found this useful, hit the subscribe button. I break down tools like this every week for small business owners and marketers who want to make smarter decisions about where they put their money. And if you have questions about systeme.io or want a deep dive on a specific feature, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.